Hello y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do something that's just a little bit different. I'm going to share some of my morning with y'all, and I hope you enjoy. I hope it motivates y'all to do some things, and sure motivated me to do some things. So let's see. What I'm doing here is I am making lunch for my husband to take to work. It's not something I do every morning. I try to. I should. It'd be a lot cheaper if I did. But yep, I'm just gonna make him a lunch here and get that going for him so that he doesn't have to travel out for lunch, because it cuts in on his lunchtime. And just some simple ham and cheese sandwiches. So that's the first thing I'm doing this morning. I've got on my walking shoes. Y'all, I have got to start taking better care of myself. I quit smoking 3 years ago, and I've gained about 25 pounds since I quit. And mind you, I've never been a little bitty person. I won't ever be a little bitty person, but I've just got to start taking better care of myself. So I'm going to start trying to walk every morning, at least every other morning if I can. It's kind of hard on the mornings I work. So I thought I'd just take y'all on a walk through my neighborhood. It was a little awkward walking around carrying a camera. I've never done that before, but hey, you know what? First time for everything. And it really is a very beautiful day here this morning in Alabama. For y'all that walk around, with the cameras in your hand, do you ever feel awkward? Because I walked by a couple of people and just kind of felt weird, so I would turn my camera off, which is what I did just before this. But yeah, it was just such a pretty day, and I wanted to take y'all with me. I just went around the small block. Thought I'd start small before I jumped into the 2 or 3 blocks around the neighborhood. I'm hoping to work up to that. But yeah, a little walk is better than no walk, right? So I hope y'all are still enjoying this. I actually had a lot of fun doing this. So yep, I'm just going to continue on my walk, and y'all enjoy. Thanks. Y'all, I hadn't even had my coffee yet, so because I wanted to get things done before I sat down and rested. So yeah, 'cause I knew once I sat down it was going to be harder to keep going. So after my walk is when I made me a cup of coffee, and I am trying to be healthier and trying to lose weight, but I do put a little bit of sugar and cream in my coffee because I am just not ready to mess with my coffee. I'll work on that. But yeah, who does not like a really good cup of coffee? And I love my Keurig. So yeah, I'm just going to leave this on regular speed because I think coffee is beautiful. So yep, there you go. Finally, my cup of coffee. Y'all, thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope that it's given y'all some motivation to get up and get moving and just get some things done, and also let's all try to take care of ourselves a little bit too. You know, I'm trying to implement some good habits, and it's hard, but still gonna do it. And anyway, y'all have a wonderful day, and we will see you next time. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, and I would really love it if y'all could subscribe as well. Y'all take care, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.